Friday. The bus is all washed and clean, but I had a really hard time getting out of my parking spot and getting up the steep part of the driveway. And the ground underneath the bus, I was stuck there for a bit. I had to do some rocking and rolling and eventually got out, but then I'm coming to immediate steep grade and my bus didn't want to make it up, so I had to sort of back up and go, and then I get almost to the crest and no, so I backed up all the way back down the hill and gunned it up and made it up here. But I need to do some raking and adding some more gravel to my parking spot. Not even sure I'm going to pull as far back. No, I probably need to so I can make the wide turn, because I have two big boulders on either side, so I have to make that turn just right. So yeah, I need to come all the way out here and then turn up, because I've got these two trees on either side, so it's not like I can turn early. I have to get beyond the trees before I can start turning. Maybe I'm just stalling before the next wheelbarrow load. So today I'm refixing my door. Now, if you haven't seen my videos, I lost the electric motor died in the door, so it wasn't automatically opening and shutting, so it's manual right now. Well, I had these like this attached, and attached like this, so that when I shut my door, then I put this piece of wood in and it held it shut. Well, it held it shut unless you're a dog standing up there just hitting it with your front feet, and then the board, if you wiggled it really good, the board pops out and it's free for all. So I got my trusty Blue Eddy powering my drill, and I took this side off. Now I'm going to take this side. Easy part. Now I got to change drill bits and attach the new one. Oh yeah, baby. Now let's just make sure. Okay. The issue here is I need to put some washers behind this, because pushing this to go flat on this door, come on out. To make it go flat on this door, it actually forces the door out a crack. So, you know what? We had washers in this side on this one too. I think I know what I'm doing now. I found some washers. They're not the same as these, but they'll work. Oh, but the washer has to go on the back side. Oops. exciting when the drill goes through. Okay, this is when I miss having 2 drills, one for the bit and one for the screws. You don't have to stop and do this. But I did it so tight. Washer thing isn't easy as you might think. Okay, the good news is I'm not going to need washers on this side. And this went so smooth and easy, I wish I was recording it. Because this one made me look like a pro. This one I ended up putting all 4 washers on and all 4 screws in. I did a much better job on the inside one than I did on the outside one. I guess practice makes perfect. But yes, very excited. I'm secure from the inside or the outside or both if I want to be double secure. I have 3 other doors to go in and out of. Where's my pups? Come on, girlfriend. Where's RJ? Good girl. Come on, boy. He's laying in the shade somewhere. There he is. There he is. Good boy. Come on, Echo. Good girl. Alrighty. Gotta take these small victories while you can. Stay safe, take care, stay cool, and I hope life is treating you well.